Hello and welcome to the Metabolic Docs YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the top reasons why the keto diet is good for men's health. After all, I'm sharing this video on Father's Day, and all the fathers out there deserve to live a long and healthy life. So shout out to all the fathers who have helped to create those beautiful babies, to the stepdads and the men who simply serve that fatherly role in any capacity. We appreciate all of you guys. Let's get started, shall we? So why keto for all you men? Reason number one, the keto diet can help men shed those unwanted pounds and achieve their weight loss goals. So say goodbye to man boobs and beer bellies and hello to a lean, mean keto machine. I think your partner will love you either way, but they will love you a little bit more if you turn that belly fat into washboard abs. Reason number two, the keto diet can improve men's energy and focus. No more mid-afternoon slumps or brain fog, just pure unadulterated energy to tackle whatever the day throws your way. Because after Father's Day is over, you know she's going to have you back, taking out garbage, washing the car, running to the grocery store, and cutting the grass outside. And you'll need all the energy to make all of that happen. Reason number three, the keto diet can help improve men's heart health by reducing the risk of heart disease by lowering triglycerides, which are the blood fats, increasing the good cholesterol, also called HDL cholesterol, and believe it or not, improving the so-called bad LDL cholesterol by improving its quality. The keto diet does this by increasing the large LDL particles and reducing the small LDL particles, which is what the metabolic doc wants to see on your labs. The keto diet does this well, and the plant-based diet does this poorly. This will help your ticker keep ticking strong with a little help from keto. Number four, the keto diet can help men improve their mental health by reducing anxiety and depression symptoms. It's like a double shot of positivity in a deliciously wrapped bacon package. Yes, you heard it, bacon is good for your mental health. I can't wait to hear about your doctor's reaction when you tell him that. Just tell him that you heard it from some doctor on the internet who just happens to have a master's in nutrition. Not sure that will convince him or her, but it may help. Now here's the big one, no pun intended. The fifth benefit is the one that both men and women care about. Wait for it. Okay. It's improving a man's performance in the bedroom. Yes, by reducing vascular inflammation and increasing testosterone levels, keto greatly reduces a man's risk for erectile dysfunction. It's not much fun celebrating Father's Day when you have to spend most of the day worrying about your ability to perform in the bedroom later in the day. Keto restores hope and your ability to take care of your partner's sexual needs. And by the way, for additional ways to improve your performance in the bedroom, check out my video entitled How to Become a Bear in the Bedroom Again and Fix Erectile Dysfunction. I'll make sure to have a link in the video comments for that. So there you have it, guys. 5 reasons why the keto diet is good for men's health. I suggest giving keto a try so you can see the amazing benefits yourself. Thanks for tuning in and have a wonderful Father's Day weekend, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.